Welcome to English Card. This is the third part of the video series where we discuss linking words and phrases. In this video, we're going to discuss words that you can use to show cause and effect. The first one is because of. Because of something, something else happened. Here, because of is used to show the cause of something. For example, because of the heavy rain, I had to use an umbrella. So the cause is the heavy rain, and because of that, I had to use an umbrella. Another phrase that you can use to replace because of is due to. Due to heavy rain, I had to use an umbrella. The next phrase is as a result. As a result is used to show a consequence of something, an effect of something. As a result, something happened. It rained. As a result, I had to use an umbrella. Another word that you can use to replace as a result is as a consequence. So, it rained. As a consequence, I had to use an umbrella. In addition to using as a result or as a consequence, you can also use hence, therefore, and consequently. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.